Opel Meriva 2005 petrol benzene motor. It was engine control unit bad. It's possible to repair, but repair takes long time, so decide get another start set, how to say. So what you need engine control unit, you need BCM control unit, you also need instrument cluster, and you need immobilizer control unit, and you need key. So all this set you change, and you can start car and you drive, no problem. I think is many Opels, Corsa and something like that. Here is starting set, because I see many who selling like engine control unit, immobilizer control and key. And if you buy this set, you not start car. If you buy this set, you not start car. But if you buy all this, you're gonna start your car. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Like, share and subscribe, and write comment some what you think about my video.